Okay, and the tablet itself, when you would get on there, would you use Facebook from your tablet?
No.
Okay, only from your phone.
Yes.
So then, in terms of responding to our subpoena now, you can provide text messages that you had with Mr. Stevens?
Yes.
And how is it that you were able to save those text messages if your phone broke and you had to get a new one?
No, I didn't say my phone broke. My daughter's phone broke. I upgraded my phone. When I upgraded it, they transfer all the data over.
I see.
So my phone didn't break. Her, she broke it, and we turned it into Verizon.
Great. So all the data that was on your prior cell phone has now been transferred to your current cell phone.
Correct.
So we could look at that to see if there's any responsive information, correct?
Correct.
We could also look at your computer that remains in pristine condition that you say you used occasionally because that data hasn't been damaged, correct?
Correct, provided that I use it for work currently, so it does have client information on there.
I promise you we will protect that. I'm not interested in your client
Well,
information.
Meredith Taylor, aren't they a social service
Yes, they
entity?
are.
So you might have some HIPAA issues on that.
Yeah.
Yes.
Well, we're able to actually target our,
Okay.
and then the third item is your Facebook account we could also access and review because that's also in pristine condition, correct?
Correct.
Couple more questions. Did you or anyone else ever delete text messages with Steve Stevens?
Ever?
Ever?
Yes. I don't keep them all.
Okay. When did you, when was the last time you deleted text messages you had with Steve Stevens?
I don't recall.
Was it before or after the murder?
I really just don't recall.
You're telling me you don't recall if you deleted text messages after he committed the murder?
No, I don't. I really kept most of them. I really just kept most of them. I wouldn't have a reason to delete a bunch of messages.
Do you have any text messages with folks that you used to work with or who work at Beechbrook about Steve Stevens?
Only about funeral arrangements.
Okay, that's it?
Yep.
Did you delete any text messages that you had with anybody at Beechbrook about Steve Stevens?
Yes.
How long ago?
I don't know. A couple of months ago, it was taking up too much storage, and I just deleted all my old text messages. And really was just really about the funeral arrangements. People at Beechbrook did not know we were dating until this event.
Who at Beechbrook did you text with and then delete their messages?
For the funeral?
For anything?
Current employees,
Any employee?
meaning current or former, because I
Yes,
worked
ma'am.
there for 13 years, so.
How about anybody who was employed at Beechbrook from April 1, 2017 to the present? Whether it's current or former?
Okay. Bridget, Mary. Henry Mazer.
Sorry?
Henry Mazer.
Can you spell his last name?
M-A-Z-U-R. He was my supervisor at Beechbrook. Candace McCowan. Alethea Gothard.
Can you spell her name?
A-L-E-T-H-I-A D-O-U-T-H-A-R-D. She was an employee at that time, but she isn't any longer.
Okay.
I'm trying to remember that I really sent them out as a group message for the funeral arrangements. Let me see who else. I believe that's about it. I'm trying to read between who were current employees versus who don't work there anymore.
And then has there ever been an occasion since April 1, 2017 where you deleted any message or Facebook post or social media post or likes or dislikes or anything at all that you received or sent to anybody about Steve Stevens?
So during the month of April of 2017, I made mention that I had over 1,000 death threats, so some of those messages I deleted. But outside of that, there's so many I just can't delete anymore. But other than that, those were the only ones I deleted. And after that, I stopped using Facebook.
So the only thing you would have deleted from your Facebook account would have been the death threats?
Mm-hmm.
Yes?
Yes.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Boland, do you wish to follow up with anything?
I have no questions, Your Honor.
Mr. Counsel, do you wish to? I'm sorry, Ms. Watson.
No problem. Ms. Lane, plaintiff's counsel asked you some questions about your conversation you had with them regarding the death of his client. And you told us during your conversations with him that there were misunderstandings as to what was discussed relative with what you had in your possession.
Yes, there was some discrepancies between how I was originally contacted and then what he wanted when he got on the phone.
So that the record is clear as to what you actually told him and what he told you. Could you clarify that for the court?
I was originally contacted saying, hey, the Dobbins wants your phone number because their attorney wants to sue Facebook and they think that it may be a better case if you guys do the lawsuit together. Do you mind talking to their attorney? And I said, okay, sure, no problem. And at that time, I gave permission for that individual to give them my phone number. And then Mr. Cabot called me pretty much right away. And he started asking me all of those questions. And I said, and I asked him about the lawsuit. And he said, well, maybe we'll get to you when we're done with them. But I'm really calling about the information for my person's lawsuit. So that's kind of when my conversation changed. Because I was told originally that's why he was contacting me.
So you felt you were misled?
Yes.
And given that, was that one of the reasons why you hired counsel?
Yes.
Okay. No further questions.
Briefly.
I'm sorry, what lawsuit could you possibly have against Facebook?
I don't know. I've had several attorneys have called me. I declined to do that. But that was the information that was given to me to obtain my phone number.
Who told you that?
Peggy Gillick.
Peggy Gallick, the person sitting in this courtroom?
Yes.
Okay. Just so I'm clear, I never, ever told you I was going to represent you.
No, you didn't. I was
Okay.
saying somebody contacted her saying, hey, is it okay to give your phone number?
Okay. And just so I'm clear, you are, after phones break, tablets break, computers are now lost, I'm the one who misled you, and that's the problem?
Well, the information, I don't know who contacted her.
I'm not asking about who contacted her.
Can I finish answering my sentence?
Let us finish. Let us finish.
So it was brought to my knowledge saying, hey, they want to do this lawsuit. I don't want to give out your phone number without your permission. Is it okay? And I said, yes.
And that's how you claim I got your telephone number.
Right. That was good. Because then you called me shortly after I had that conversation.
Okay. My point to you is your lawyer just, did you feel misled by Mr. Cabot? And you said, yes, I did.
Well, I don't know who contacted her to ask, but I felt misled as to the reason why for me to speak with you in the first place.
Okay, but in terms of our conversation, not who spoke to you or who gave numbers, our conversation, did you feel as though I misled you?
No, you told me that you were focusing on your claim, so that's why I obtained counsel, because I was under a misunderstanding.
Thank you.
Okay, I assume there's nothing further. Mr.
Yes,
Watson.
Your Honor.
Okay, based on the testimony, I am not going to award any sanctions or attorney's fees, but you are ordered to produce and turn over all text messages, your Facebook account, and any information on the laptop computer from April, is that April 15th, counsel?
Yes, Your Honor.
April 15th to the present.
And may we also get an opportunity to examine the new tablet in case
Yes.
data transferred?
Do you understand? Why don't you prepare a proposed order so that there's no confusion, and then I will sign it. I don't know if it's still necessary for a confidentiality agreement. If so, I expect council to draft it and agree upon it.
Fair
I
enough.
want this completed within 7 days so it doesn't get dragged out. Go ahead.
I will be on vacation next week out of town,
Okay.
and I'll return on that following week, Monday,
Monday, 30th or 23rd? 23rd.
the 22nd.
Okay, so then I want it completed by, how about August 2nd?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Anything further?
No, thank you.
Thank you. Do you need,